In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate boards on Monday.com. If you need to recreate part of an existing workflow without building everything again from scratch, duplicating content in Monday.com can save you a lot of time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the simple process shown on screen so you can quickly copy what you need and keep your work organized. To begin, open Monday.com and click on any board you want to work from. This should be the board that contains the content you want to duplicate. Once you're inside the board, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct place, especially if you manage several boards that look similar. Starting from the right board helps avoid duplicating the wrong information. Next, look for the three-dot menu. This is the small dotted icon that opens additional options for the board or the section you're working with. Click on that three-dot menu to reveal the available actions. In Monday.com, this menu is commonly where you'll find tools for editing, organizing, and copying content, so it's a good place to get familiar with. From the menu that appears, click on the option labeled Duplicate this group. This tells Monday.com that you want to create a copy of that specific group within the board. This can be useful when you want to reuse a structure, a list of tasks, or a process that repeats regularly. Instead of rebuilding the group manually, duplicating it lets you keep the same setup and move much faster. After that, click on Duplicate Transaction. This confirms the duplication action and completes the process shown here. Once selected, Monday.com will generate the copied version for you. Depending on what's inside that group, the duplicate may appear right away and include the same layout and content structure as the original. As a quick tip, after the duplicate is created, it's always a good idea to review the copied version and make sure everything looks the way you expect. If you're using the duplicate for a new project, cycle, or client, you may want to rename it or update the contents so it's clearly separated from the original. And that's it. As you can see, duplicating content in Monday.com is a fast and practical way to streamline repetitive work. Once you know where to click, the process only takes a few seconds and can make your workflow much more efficient.